Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy the KleeKai token using Trust Wallet and Uniswap. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step everything you have to do in order to buy this token. But before we get started here, I'm just going to remind everyone that I do have daily cryptocurrency content on this channel, showing you guys things like how to buy, how to sell, and lots more to do with the space. Now, if you guys are interested in that kind of stuff, I'd really recommend subscribing, as I'll have daily content coming out from here on out. Anyhow, all we have to do for this token is just first off head in our Trust Wallets. So if we just open up our Trust Wallets, I'm just going to let you guys know here, I'm not going to show you how to transfer or buy Ethereum in this video into your Trust Wallet. I will have separate tutorials linked in the description and in the comment section for you guys if you do not know how to buy or transfer Ethereum into your Trust Wallet. But you just have to make sure you have Ethereum into your Trust Wallet for this step. And then once you have that in here, I'll then show you guys how to get the contract address and things like that. So now all we have to do is get the contract address for this token, and I'll have a link over to CoinMarketCap in the description as well as in the comment section. So all you guys have to do is head there once you have your Ethereum inside of your Trust Wallets, and then I'll show you guys what to do next. And once you guys are on CoinMarketCap here, all we have to do is go down to where you see contracts, and then just go to the right, you'll see two little squares there, and then you can just click on that to copy the contract address. Once you guys click on that, we can then head back into our Trust Wallets. Once we're back in our Trust Wallets here, we just want to go to the top right corner of our screen where we see the two lines and two circles. Click on that. Then we can paste the contract address up in this top search right here. Then we'll see the KleeKai token, so we just enable the token and then click on Done. Now, once we have the token enabled inside of our Trust Wallets, we are now good to go ahead to swap our Ethereum for this token. So I'll have a link in the description for Uniswap and as well as in the comment section. So you guys can just head over there for the link, or of course you can just search for Uniswap on Google and then go to the website, and then I'll show you guys what to do once you're on Uniswap. And once you guys are on Uniswap here, first things first, we need to connect our wallets. So if you just go to the connect to a wallet button at the top of our screen, you just go ahead and click on that. Then right here, it's going to ask us what we want to use to connect. We're going to be using Wallet Connect. Once you click on Wallet Connect, it's going to ask us to choose our preferred wallet. So you just go ahead and use MetaMask if you would like to. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys with Trust Wallet. So we just go ahead and click on Trust Wallet. And then in Trust Wallet, it's going to open up that Uniswap wants to connect to our Trust Wallets. So we just go ahead and click on Connect at the bottom here. Now we can go back to Uniswap. And then we will know our wallet's connected when we see our wallet address up in the top corner here, as well as our balance of Ethereum right below Ethereum right here. Now, all we have to do is click on Select a Token and then paste that same contract address inside of here as well. Once we do that, we'll see the KleeKai token pop up here. So we just click on Import and then Import one more time. Now, once we have both tokens in here, we can now put the amount of Ethereum that we want to transfer into this token. So let's just say, for example, I wanted to do 0.5 Ethereum. I can go ahead and put that in, and then it will show me the amount of the KleeKai token I'll get in exchange for my Ethereum. Now, if you guys are happy with that, you could then go and click on the swap button where it says insufficient ETH balance for me. Once you guys click on the swap button there, it's basically going to show you a broken down version of your transaction, showing you your gas fees and your rates and things like that. Now, if you guys are happy with that, you can go ahead and click on swap one more time, and then it'll give you a successful transaction notice. Now, for some reason, it did give you an error. You guys can check your slippage tolerance by going to this little settings gear right here. And then you can change your slippage tolerance from auto to a higher percentage. But typically, once you have it on auto, it does work really well. Anyhow, once you get that successful notice, you could then exit into your Trust Wallets, and then your token should arrive here within a couple minutes normally. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out, showing you guys how to buy the KleeKai token using Trust Wallet and Uniswap. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.